If you are an eBayer, I know there's a lot of eBayers out there, a little bit of advice. This is the time to make some money. Of course, it's Christmas. Christmas, what, only 6 weeks away? You really should have been hitting your eBay pretty hard the last month. Okay, I started a month ago. Got a fair bit of stuff on that I've been saving all year. Heap of Lego. I will do a designated video to Lego, but this one will leave the Lego out. Okay, now, like I said, guys, you really want to cash in at Christmas times. All right, this is the best time to make your profits because people are out there looking. All right, so put your eBay listings on now and let them run. Like, hold your prices, be firm but be fair. Okay, you want to be fair. Like, if if you know me, everything I list on eBay, I look it up, I try and beat everybody's price, and that's the way you're going to do it. If you've got something really special, just match your price with somebody. Okay, don't always go in and just hammer your competition, and get to know your competition. If you have competition that sells these particular things, get to know them. I know all the guys that sell these. Okay, you know, we talk on groups and chats and that, and we work out prices that we're going to put on these things, so that we're not, you know, not everyone's like going, oh, I've got one of these, I'll put it for $2 cheaper than the Toy Hunter. And then the other guy that lives at the Gold Coast that I know, he goes, oh, well, I'll put it on for $4 cheaper. And I mean, realistically, if it's a $50 figure, you know, you get all these guys cutting it down, and then all of a sudden they're selling a $40 figure, or they're getting $40 for a figure they should be getting $50 for. So hold your ground sometimes, all right? And then after Christmas, you can always put the sale on, okay? Because you got Boxing Day sales. Do that. Here and here. Okay, I've got a few of those left. The Batman Returns. Or actually, these are Dark Knight. A couple more. Here we go. We've got a really special. This came out of my personal collection, and I'm putting that on eBay as well. There we go. Han Solo in Carbonite. All right, so let's see how that one goes. We've got a Leia Bespin turtleneck as well. I'm putting her on. There's a Zuckuss. Now, you may remember that they got these wrong. This is actually Forlom, and this is Zuckuss. That's how they were supposed to be, but they stuffed up somewhere when they were doing these figures, so got the names mixed around. So, not sure if you really knew that, but there's a little bit of Star Wars trivia that I actually know. Okay, so also got one of these FX7s. Now, FX7, once again, hard to get on any card, all right? But here he is, a tri-logo, okay? And look, I'm going to put my boy George on. I've had him for years. I'm going to put him on. He is sealed, factory sealed everywhere, okay? I don't think you will find a better one of these anywhere, okay? This one's really, really nice. The box is pretty good. Okay, putting that on. And what else? Last but not least, the Buck Rogers, once again out of my personal collection, still sealed, top and bottom. All right, I'm putting him on, and he's going off on eBay this week. Okay, so please like and subscribe, guys. There is more coming. Like I said, I will do a Lego video because I've got a heap of Lego sets that I'm putting on. Look, there's some old Harry Potter. They're the original Harry Potters. Anyway, that's another video. Okay, look out for that one. Please like and subscribe. Have a good day, and watch all my other videos. There's so many videos on there now, all right? Thanks, guys, and I'll catch you later.